Page 25, Song of the Volga Boatmen. So I go through the routine for learning a piece of music. Let's see what it is. It seems pretty short. I look it over, it's 2 lines long. Treble and bass clef signs still. 4/4 time signature. I see a bunch of quarter notes, half notes, dotted half notes, and whole notes. They're all here. It's only one hand playing at a time, so I'm going to take both hands at the same time for the video to shorten the video a little bit. It starts out with left hand with thumb on middle C, so you're here. The right hand, they want second finger on the D. That puts the right hand here, so that means we're still in middle C position. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Remember, dotted half notes the same as 3 quarter notes. Just memorize that. So if you know how much a quarter note gets, this gets 3 of those. 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? I go through and I make sure I got the notes and the rhythms okay. And then I go back and get rid of the hesitations. I can play this without looking at the keyboard. And then I'll think about the articulation. We're going to lift up between these curved lines, these phrases. Just lift up. Just a little lift. It's like taking a breath. 1, 2, lift up. See, I'm just lifting up between each of these. It doesn't hurt to actually take a breath there. A lot of pianists will do that too. And it depends on how long the phrases are, because you don't necessarily breathe between every phrase. Some of them are short. You're like, no. But a lot of times in the longer phrases, they'll actually breathe. They'll take a breath between the phrases to help feel the music. And once I can do the articulation okay, I think about the dynamics. All they give is an F at the beginning between the staves. The F. Forte is loud. And it's all melodies. It's all loud. Whatever you think loud is. Not super loud, just loud. 2, 3. As far as the speed goes, this is actually more on the slow side, but you don't want to drag it. And about there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. You decide on how fast or slow you want your boat to go. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 here. Bum, bum. Well, feel the natural accents all the way through. Actually, I meant feeling. We do feel the music. Once you get the mechanics out of the way and you want to start feeling the music, getting into just letting the melody, where does it take you? How do you feel it? And experience the music. That way, it's not just note, 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 note. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms and all. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4, 2, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. There's a duet for this at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that. I'm going to speed it up just a little bit. And I have to change the duet a little bit because the duet is pretty much all half notes. I need to keep a beat because I can't hear you. I can't stay with you. So I need to play something on every beat so you can stay with me. So I'm going to play quarter notes somewhere. 1, 2, ready, go.